In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Now select Face under Ways to Unlock and enter your current login method. Finally, hit Continue and keep your face in frame. Now select Done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!